get a story out of it. You get a story out of it. You get a story out of it. You get a story out of it.
Teslin River. And look how calm it is. Crazy. This can be extremely windy here. Southbound. In 30 seconds, we'll be turning off to, it says Ross River, South Canol. It is not a paved road. Welcome to the entrance to the South Canol, Canadian Oil Road. About an hour and a half from Whitehorse. So as you first go up the South Canol, you know you're here by these old trucks from World War II. Then of course there's the sign, Ross River, 226 kilometers. The other way here is when you're coming north at Watson Lake, make a right to Ross River, and then from Ross River come back down to here. No services for 226 kilometers. Narrow winding road. V-Strom with good tires. I got the Hyden and the Tractionator, more than capable on this road, but I won't be going too far today. We're just going to have a little boo. You can hear the rocks being spit out by the tires. This will rattle the crap out of your teeth for hours, and you will be on here for hours. Oh. GoPro's got this little protector on here where I put my lenses on. When you're trying to turn it off, I bumped it. I thought it fell off back there. Look at that. I just found it. It was underneath my kickstand. Must have landed on my pants. How frickin' bizarre is that? And it's dead. It fell off, landed, must have stuck on my pants somehow, and when I put the bike down to go look for it, oh man. I don't think that's going to work anymore. What do you think? I think it's dead. This thing's starting to get loose too. It just almost falls off. Look at it. Pretty shitty setup. Anyways, how bizarre is that? So, as you can see, the canal's closed for the season. You can go up there. And this is what you're looking at. I mean, it's no worse than the Dempster or no better. Probably worse in places than the Dempster. This stuff is what gets you. If you run into this stuff going too fast. And these are the perfect tires for the journey, of course. Absolutely perfect. Take your time. It's not even hard. Absolutely perfect. Okay, that's 6 kilometers up the canal. It's closed for the season. I'm going home for lunch. We'll do this road at another time. Oh, so there's the canal road closed. And somebody set up a porta potty behind the tarp here. Huh, how wonderful. So you have a bathroom at the start of the South Canal Road. Use at your own risk. Bring your own toilet paper because I didn't see a toilet paper dispenser there. So it's a pretty modern setup, but it's one of those newer buckets. But no toilet paper. Yeah. Wow. It's ever quiet here. Huh. Okay, that's the introduction to our start of the canal, South Canal. Two things. One, I can't believe that my GoPro lens cover is already not working. This road here actually goes down to the Teslin River. It's really nice. You can go swim in there. Beautiful. Wide and slow. Big river. The other thing is this road will have everything on it, but if you're new to gravel, have no fear. Take your time. You're probably going to be, several hours, 4 or 5, maybe even 6 hours to get to Ross River. Even if you have gravel experience, it's a bit of a skin. But it's pretty cool. It's end of May, about 1 week away from June. But boy, you can expect a little bit of everything on that road. So there's Johnson's Crossing, great place for lunch. Yeah, it's very good swimming down there. The river's really slow here. Okay, Wild Bill's Garage. That's South Canal. Just a quick hello. There he is. So there's it's a good shape too. Now I'm going to be kosher here because he could be over here in seconds. But he's in pretty good shape for being away all winter. He's a beauty, eating grass. Huh, most people in Canada are smoking it these days. Hey buddy. Very cool. Very cool indeed. And there's our tax dollars hard at work, sweeping the Alaska Highway. That'll be great for the people that travel on bicycles.
Tangent man, oh tangent man, no one knows where you're going. Where you're going, no one can tell. This is the new Santa mount. Cost a lot, but it is Maui onion, garlic, macadamia flavored. And your Santa just sits on right there. Okay, we're in the woodshed here. I gotta park my butt. So the first map is what I did down south of the canal, straight up towards Ross. What you're probably going to do is you could go to Watson, go north to Ross, and then come down the South Canal, Johnson's Crossing, go north to past Whitehorse, Dawson, Fairbanks, whatever. I guess you could also come up past Watson to the South Canal Road, go way up to Ross River, make a left to Carmack's, go north, Fairbanks, Juneau, Dawson, whatever. And then on your way back, it's pretty hard to miss Whitehorse, so you'd have an opportunity to see Whitehorse on the way back. So it's up to you guys now, and gals. If, you're going to ride this way, you're going to go, most of you're going to ride right by it. But there's an opportunity to ride up there, is what I'm saying. There's an opportunity to ride up there, see this road. It's historic, South Canal. It's way better than the North Canal. You can die in the North Canal if you go too far. It's like, wow. You can't take a bike all the way through North Canal. It's pretty hard. I don't think I've ever seen a video of it done. Bicycles can barely do it. People drown up there. Anyways, the South Canal is much better, but very historic. Like, it's not out of the way. It's just another way to get past Whitehorse or through Whitehorse and then to come back. There's not too many ways north and south here. Anyways, it's worth the ride. Think about it.